It is just looking so dewy. Black owned, it's affordable and clean. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Alicia, and today's video I am going to be doing a foundation wear test on the new LYS Beauty foundation. So it's a black owned clean beauty brand, and not only that, it's affordable. So all of her products are geared to be $30 and under, which is super awesome. So I'm so excited to try this today. She has blushes and powders and everything, but for some reason they weren't available at Sephora online Canada. So I don't know what's going on with that, but I'll have to figure that out because I plan on trying out the entire line, and I will show you guys for sure. Let's get into this beautiful packaging. So I love that she has made this affordable, but at the same time she still took the time to make this packaging just gorgeous. So it's a rose gold top. It does come with a pump. This is a pink shape of the bottle. It's like a triangular shape, and all of her products have that same shape. And this is a frosted glass. It does come with the standard 1 ounce. I'm just in love with this bottle alone. The shade I chose online was DG3. Hey beauties, I'm not gonna talk long. My face is already prepped in terms of I have on a primer. I did not do any color correcting under my eyes. We're just gonna try it out today without that. This is called Triple Fix Serum Foundation. I'm gonna pump. So pump on the back of my hand. There it goes. It is a little runny, but the shade looks like it's gonna be a good match. There is no scent. Wow, like look how pretty that blend is. Like look at that. Wow, so beautiful. And so far the undertone is a true golden undertone, which I love. This is so gorgeous. So even for my dark circles, the coverage is pretty good, and because it has that yellow undertone, I feel like it definitely cancels out some of that darkness. There we have it. Look at that beautiful glow. We're just gonna go straight in and do the next side with the Beauty Blender. And that blended away beautifully and easily as well, and you can see the glow that it gives me. Very nice glow. The coverage on this side, of course, the Beauty Blender definitely shared it out. I always use my Beauty Blender damp, so it did share out the product. But you can see that it does apply just as beautiful. You can get more of a natural skin-like finish if you did use the Beauty Blender, because you can see my blemishes are coming through. Whereas on this side, I did get a lot more coverage with the brush, which is to be expected, but I just wanted to try both because sometimes a brush just may not work at all, or a Beauty Blender just may not work at all. So as you can see, my skin is just looking so dewy. I love it. I love that dewy finish. I mean, I can get away with the dewy finish this time of year, so I'm all for this. It's definitely a buildable foundation, so you can have it as sheer as you want, or you can build it up. So I'm going to finish my face off camera, come back, and then I'm gonna go about my day and come back and show you at the end of the day how well this foundation held up. Okay, so this is the completed look. I tried to keep it light. I only use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish to set it, which is also a product to help with if you want that luminous skin. This foundation, I would say, definitely is very dewy. So if you are oily girl, I suspect that you're gonna have to do a lot of skin prep, or definitely get out your best primer. My T-zone is super oily, so we're gonna find out today. I kind of feel like my nose is already looking a little shiny, and I did use a mattifying primer on my nose, so we'll see. Very yellow. It reminds me of like NARS Tahoe. So if you are a similar shade to me and you're a golden girl, they usually recommend NARS Tahoe. I love NARS foundation, so I do use Tahoe, but I add a little bit more of a darker foundation just to cancel out some of the yellow, because I'm yellow. Like they say I'm yellow, like I'm a true golden, but I feel like NARS Tahoe is just a little bit too yellow. So that's kind of the same feel that I'm having with this one. It's very golden. Just in case you're wondering, I just wanted to put that out there. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up now. Subscribe if you are not already. And of course, press the notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video. And I will be back shortly to show you the finished product. But as you can see, so far, so good. I forgot to show you guys the time. It's now 10:26. So okay, beauties. So the time is now 5:43. This is the makeup. I still love the finish of this makeup after wearing it for several hours. Like it's set and became more natural on my skin, so you can still see that I have a little bit of a dewy finish going on. I did blot before I came on camera because my nose was just an oily mess. That was expected, of course, because it is a serum foundation. So I would suggest if you are an oily girl, you can still rock this foundation. You just definitely have to prep your skin really well. Mattifying primers, pore filling primers. You may have to touch up, but honestly, this foundation is worth it. It's such a beautiful finish, and it's $28.50, I think I paid for it. Come on. So I'm very impressed with this foundation, and so I can't wait to get my hands on the rest of the collection. Once I do that, you know I'll be back here again to show that off to you guys. So if you guys can already get your hands on that collection, I would definitely say go ahead and get it. It's beautiful, it's affordable, Black owned, and clean. Honestly, I don't feel like it gets any better than that. Thanks for watching my video, and if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.